Hello, good afternoon. A blustery, mild and rather cloudy day for many parts of the UK, with further heavy spells of rain for northwest Scotland this afternoon and an amber warning in place until this evening. As well as that, a yellow warning for strong winds for northeast England. It's blustery and wet for the northern half of the UK today, with the best of any brightness in the far southeast of England this afternoon. As we head through into this evening, that rain begins to push its way into the north of England and parts of North Wales. Some clearance further north across Scotland and a relief as we go through tonight there. It's misty and murky and a rather mild night to come for all of us. Monday morning we'll start with a spell of rain across central parts of the country. Further south and east, early brightness diminishing as cloud builds and rain begins to move further south during the afternoon. Further north and west across Northern Ireland and Scotland, a showery day, but more in the way of brightness. It's mild for all of us, but another blustery one ahead. Bye-bye. Hello, a very good evening to you. Another blustery day to come tomorrow across the UK. This week our weather starts on a mild note. Gradually across northern parts, colder air will move in as we go through the week, with windy conditions to end the week for many of us. Back to tonight's details, and heavy pulses of rain will begin to ease off and sink south across northern England and North Wales through tonight, giving some relief across the northwest of Scotland, where it's been incredibly wet over the last 24 hours. Temperature-wise, across the board tonight, we avoid a frost. It remains rather blustery, with the best of any cloud breaks in the far southeast tonight. And to start the day tomorrow, the best of any sunshine. Elsewhere, central parts of the country will have a wet start to the day. It's misty, murky, lots of low cloud, but for northwest Scotland and Northern Ireland, a showery day and more in the way of brightness to come. Windy conditions for many of us and another mild one ahead. Bye-bye. Hello again, a very good evening to you. More unsettled weather ahead as we go through this week. At first, starting mild for all of us. But during the second half of the week into northern areas, colder air will move in, bringing a threat of some wintry sleet and snow showers, with increasingly windy conditions for all of us as we go through the next few days. Back to tonight's details. Rain has begun to sink away from Scotland down into northern England and parts of Wales. Further south and east, it remains dry with a few cloud breaks, and across the north of Scotland, some much needed clearer, quieter weather. But we're free from frost tonight across the board. As we approach tomorrow morning, blustery winds picking up and outbreaks of rain across central areas to start the day. Cloudy for most of us during tomorrow. However, there will be more in the way of sunshine, around some heavy showers in Scotland and Northern Ireland tomorrow afternoon. Temperature-wise, still mild for the time of year, with a maximum of around 13 Celsius. Good night.